Hello, Michelle McLaren here, and welcome back to the ABCs of Health Insurance. I'm a licensed health insurance broker and a licensed health insurance counselor in the state of Texas with my own agency, Just the Facts Health Insurance Agency. I am here to explain the confusion that is health insurance. Insurance is evil. Let's turn evil into easy with answers. Today's letter is Z. Z stands for zeal. No one shops for insurance with zeal. It's a dreaded task usually. All those different policies and prices and deductibles and co-pays. And you're spending a ton of money on something you don't want to use, especially don't want to need to use. When the Affordable Care Act created the marketplaces, their intent was to make it easier for you to shop for different policies. Their systems allow you to enter doctors' names and medications to see what networks those are in. It allows you to compare plans side by side. It sorted the plans into the metal networks and different categories to make them a little easier, and even introduced the summary of benefits in a regulated format to help it become easier to understand. Sadly, it doesn't really give you all the information you need to make an informed decision easily. And the representatives who work at the marketplace are navigators. They know the system, but they're not licensed agents, and they don't really know that much about the different policies. In fact, they're not actually allowed to make policy recommendations. An experienced insurance agent can help make this process easier and hopefully more pleasant. They've spent hours doing research, studying policies, being familiar with the laws. They know there are other options available outside of the marketplace, and those may work with you. Not even all of the Affordable Care Act qualified plans are sold on the marketplace. The computer can tell you if your medication is covered in network. The agent can use the formulary to help you determine the tier of coverage and give you an estimate of cost. In the past, agents were paid by commissions from insurance companies and usually charged clients nothing. Sadly, this occasionally led some insurance agents to recommend plans that were better for their pocketbooks than their clients. Now, with the Affordable Care Act, there is the 80-20 rule. This means that an insurance company can only spend 20% of what it brings in for premiums on overhead. This can lead to a very quick cut in agent commissions. After all, the benefits from using an agent are to the consumer, not to the insurance agency. Most of the insurers don't even pay a commission if you're enrolling clients outside of the open enrollment period. Therefore, some agents left the industry. Or maybe they only sell non-marketplace or non-Affordable Care Act qualified plans. Those plans aren't under the 80-20 law and still pay higher commissions. I've seen fees being charged by a lot of insurance agents to cover their time and energy. Those fees I've seen ranging from about $50 to $350, depending on the amount of work that agent is doing for you and the area of the country that they're in. You have to decide whether or not you think it's worth to pay an agent to help you with your insurance decisions. Do you want to go back and do the hours of research that insurance agent has done? Wait on hold with the insurance companies to get your questions answered? Find those formularies online? Understand the alternative insurance products? Which ones are best for you? Or are you really ready to sit down and pay someone to help you work all this out? This is a changing point in the industry and how we buy health insurance. It's up to you to decide if you want to pay for the health or continue shopping for that insurance with a potential lack of zeal. Education is important. That's why I created Just the Facts Insurance Agency. It's just the facts you need to protect those you love.